Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is part 5 of beginner tutorial series.
In the first video, I gave you a simple overview about in-editor elements in AutoCAD user interface. These elements can be found inside the drawing area. You can control their visibility. So today I am going to discuss about viewport controls, view controls, visual style controls, viewport settings, and how to set more than one viewport at a time. The viewport controls are displayed at the upper left corner of each viewport. You can find these three bracket areas in your drawing area. Viewport controls, view controls, and visual style controls. Viewport controls provide access to multiple viewport configurations, several viewport tools, and display options of the current viewport in a layout. View controls provide access to standard and custom views and 3D projections. Visual style controls provide access to standard and custom visual styles. So as I mentioned earlier, you can find the viewport controls at the upper left corner of the viewport. This one right over here is viewport control. You will find a plus mark or a dash mark in there. Click there to display options for maximizing the viewport, configure the viewport, or controlling the display of navigation tools in here. You can see these navigation tools, view cube, steering wheel, and navigation bar in here. We can go over here and click to choose between several standard and custom views. We can go to any of these isometric views, and also we can go to these orthographic views as well. We have over here which is called visual style controls. Click here to choose one of several visual styles. Move right over here to this little plus or dash mark. You can select viewport configuration list in here. And from here we can choose our options. There is another way to choose your desired viewport. Click on the View tab and you can find Viewport Configuration button in Model Viewport panel. Now click on the drop down arrow. From this list of viewport styles, you can choose any one to make your work easy. I will take the 4 equal options from this list. Then viewport screen will change into 4 viewports. You can set up the views in order to your preference. Here we have 4 viewports on the working area at one time. In here you can find the grid is activated only for one viewport. Like this way you can add a grid for each viewport. For adding a grid on a particular viewport, all you have to do is select the viewport and enables the grid option from here. Let's change the view of the viewports. So this one here you can see is the top view. So I'm gonna leave that on. I will change the views of each viewport as top left, front and southwest isometric one by one. It's up to you to decide the views to make your work easy. I'm gonna make this as my left view on the upper right. I'm gonna change the view for this one as my front view. And then I am going to change the last one as my southwest isometric view. Let me draw something for better understanding. I'll show you really quickly. So I am going to create a simple 3D object there. I'll draw a rectangle in my top view. Firstly, select the rectangle panel button from the draw panel of your home tab. And now let's go to the top viewport and draw it like this way. So now I will extrude this rectangle. I'll select extrude command from the modeling panel of home tab and select over here and then press enter. And then let's specify the extrusion height from the front view. If we push it up, it will goes up. If we push it down, it will goes down. And now press enter. Okay guys, this is my simple 3D object. You can find different views of this box in viewports. So we created this little cube pretty quickly. In this way, you can use viewport settings according to your work. I hope you can understand about the viewport and how to set more than one viewport at a time. Well, that's all we have for today. In next video, let's discuss about another element of AutoCAD user interface. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.